Hello, trader friends. How are you? I hope you are fine. Today I'm going to show you a great strategy for mobile device. I mean mobile MT4. For that reason, we have to plot some indicators there. First of all, we are going to add MACD, and the value will be 5, 34, and 5. This is the value. Okay. So done, and then we'll add second line of the MACD. That will be 1, shift will be 0, simple moving average applied to previous indicator data. Okay, this is the second line of our MACD. Then we have to add RSI, and it will be the rate of the period of RSI will be 14, and okay, that's it. Now we have to add another one indicator, that is moving average. That will be moving average 5, I mean EMA 5, and that will be previous indicator, and voila. So how can you trade in this strategy? First of all, you have to identify the trend by seeing MACD, and MACD will be the trend leading indicator. So let's see, in GBPAD this is the zero level crossing, and simultaneously signal line crossing of MACD, and you can find on the other hand RSI is crossing zero level 2. So the first rule is MACD, we are never gonna take a trade from the first crossing of MACD, and when the RSI is crossing EMA 5 for the first time, then we can start the trade. Okay, so we'll set our trade here, and you see that this is all way for like this candle, and it shows the reversal, so we can close our trade here, and then we can add another trade in this crossing. Why in this crossing? Because you see the histogram is way far from the zero level. Okay, this is the second trade, and you can find another trade in here. You can see the crossing, so this is the trade we can open here, and this will be the profit taken area because this candle. So you are never gonna take the crossing against the trend like this or this. So you have to follow the trend with the MACD, and you will take the entry from RSI and moving average crossing. So friends, I can tell you this is gonna be the best strategy for mobile ever. Let me know your comment about this strategy in our comment section. Then you can share more strategy for mobile. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.